So here I am, my washroom. Today we're gonna be fixing this thing right here. It's like rotten wood. Doesn't look good at all. So I vacuum. Now I'm gonna use this acetone, like nail polish remover, to clean up the surfaces so they're nice and clean. For this project, I'm going to be using this PC Woody. Honestly, I've never used it in my life, so it's going to be a learning curve. Let's try. So I have like this ice cream lid to use for mixing. Okay, so here's the final result. You can see, put it there, like spread it out. Then here. So as you can see, now it's nicely cured. I'm gonna start sanding. It's a 60 grit. When working with the wooden epoxy, it's super important to apply at least 2 coats of primer, and that's what I'm doing right here. After those coats of primer, don't forget paint. I've applied the 2 coats of high quality acrylic paint, and it helped to keep it look nice and clean. Here's the final result after a few days of drying out. This is how it looks like. Way better than before. Of course, you can see it close by, but if it's far away and if you turn out the light, looks pretty good.